What's up, guys? Kalen Bryan here, back at you with another video, and in this video I'm going to give you an in-depth review of Easy1up.com and show you my results thus far and how you can start earning a sustainable passive income online today. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the content. So Easy1up, I have a video previously that I recorded on my channel about Easy1up, but I was premature at it. So I became a member of Easy1up. Just to go ahead and let you know my background, I became a member of Easy1up.com through Funnel XRI, which if you want to learn about Funnel XRI, it's down below and link in the description. Funnel XRI is basically a online digital franchise done for you system that has 5 sources of income. So 5 streams of income, right? And Easy1up.com is one of those streams of income. So with Easy1up, you basically it's a tool that teaches you how to start with online marketing. There's different levels in Easy1up. You have the Elevation Elite, Vertex Elite, Elevation, Vertex Pro, and Vertex Live. I'm currently at the Vertex Pro level, and yes, each one of these levels do cost, okay? But before I get into the cost of each one, let me just give you a rundown and a review of what each level, what comes with each level, okay? So Easy1up is not just some MLM marketing, just join and try to get people to join under you to get paid. No, it's actually a platform where you can come and learn the power of the internet, right? Learn how to position yourself online and start building an online business to create passive income. Okay. And like I was saying earlier, it has different levels. So Elevation is the lowest level you can come in at. Is $25. $25 is the flat rate. So there's like no monthly membership cost, or you don't have to pay $25 a month. No, you pay $25 now and you get access to the trainings, the videos, the modules, everything to give you a solid foundation in starting an online business. Okay. So Elevation is the cheapest one, on the lowest level you can get into. So that's $25, and it goes all the way up to the Vertex Elite. Oh, sorry, the Vertex Live, which is $2,000. Okay. Again, that's a flat rate fee. But let me tell you something. So everything that you get in the $2,000 course, the highest paid one, you get all of this plus everything under. So you get the same thing at the Vertex Elite. Vertex Elite. You get the same. If you have the highest paid $2,000, you get the Vertex Elite, you get the Vertex Pro, you get the Elevation Elite, and the Elevation, all of it and together in one module with a flat rate to $2,000 fee. Okay. But like I said, you can come in at any level you want to. For example, the Elevation level with $25, you get the network marketing basics. You learn why online network marketing is the way to go if you're trying to build your own business and build passive income, trying to create the life that you want to, okay, with financial freedom. You also learn which online network marketing company to join. So like Easy1up, join Easy1up, or you can join one of my other #1 income stream, or #1 recommendations to build in full-time income is the 4% group or Funnel XRI. So there's a lot of done for you systems out there that all you have to do is send traffic to these programs and courses for other people to learn. And you get a commission based off of that, or even you can also promote physical products. It's all about how you can market your own skills, your own products, or market someone else's products and get a commission off of that. Okay. Then after you learn what network marketing company to join, you'll then go into how to scale your online network marketing, the pros and cons in network marketing, how to generate leads. This is a gold mine right here. Because if you can't generate leads in your business, you have no business, right? How to create your lead capture page. And my #1 recommendation for lead capture pages is ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels, check that out. If you check my link in the description, you get a 14-day free trial with ClickFunnels. Also, if you use one of my shared funnels, you can get ClickFunnels for $19 per month. Okay. But with Easy1up, it shows you how to create your lead capture pages, your email cultivation series, but it also gives you an affiliate Kickstarter video series, right? So how to sign up for an autoresponder account, how to offer bonuses, review writing techniques, how to create a free offer, just configure your autoresponder, because there's a lot of technical things in the back office that you need to set up in order to run a passive online business. You got to learn and know how to set things up in the right place and link them together properly in order for it to work successfully, right? So these are all the things that Easy1up has for individuals that want to come in and join. I'm telling you, it's a great program. But like I said, I'm at the Vertex Pro level, so I have access to all of this, right? But like I said earlier, not only do I have access to all of this, I also have access to everything under. So the Vertex Elite, the Vertex, the Elevation Elite, and the Elevation. So everything that's listed under these, I have access to, plus what's listed under the Vertex Pro. So the Vertex Pro teaches you zero cost traffic, how to use WhatsApp marketing made easy. So a lot of people aren't using WhatsApp out there. So it's like a gold mine to learn what other people are not doing. So you can leverage that and start doing it, right? Because it's traffic that no one has really tapped into. That's just waiting for people to pounce on. Video sales funnels, US or free ads traffic, Tumblr training, traffic exchanges, streaming profits authority, membership authority, Snapchat marketing business in a box, social media domination, SlideShare, Reddit, like LinkedIn, Instagram, Google Hangouts, general traffic techniques, Facebook remarketing, Facebook ads. It's all in here, guys. Blogging, everything that you need to know to start your online business today so that it is successful, right? So that you set it up properly, that it's successful, that you're able to scale it, and that you're profitable. Okay. So all of this is taught in Easy1up.com, and you can get access to it today. Okay. Check my link, and my link will be in the description, and it will also be the first comment below. Check it out, guys. And the thing about Easy1up.com is that you just can't go to Easy1up.com and sign up. No, you have to be referred by a current member in order to sign up for Easy1up. Okay. Another thing, guys, to take note is I just started not too long ago, but the thing to take note is if you refer someone to Easy1up and you're not at that level they sign up at or lower, you don't get the commission. So for example, I'm at the Vertex Pro level right now, right? If you sign up under me, because like I said, you have to have a sponsor in order to sign up for this. If you sign up under me and you go to the Vertex Live level, the $2,000 level, I won't get a commission. That goes straight back to Easy1up or to their profits or whatnot. It does not come to me. But if you come at the Vertex Pro or lower level, then I get a percent of that commission. Okay. So that's important for you to know in order for you to position yourself so where you can get the most commissions possible. Okay. So just keep that in mind. Like I said, okay, the link will be in the description, guys. But I have one bonus for you. If you sign up using my link below in the description and you come in at the Vertex Pro level or lower, I will buy your first 100 clicks. I will buy your first solo ad through Udimi for free. Okay. All you have to do is comment below under this video that you have signed up using my link and what level you have signed up under. Okay. Even if it's at the Elevation Elite program. Okay. I will make sure to get you your free first sources of traffic. Okay. So what you do is, like I said, sign up with my link, comment below that you signed up and what level you signed up at, and then I will comment below and respond to your comment and get the information I need from you, which basically means I need to get your link so that I can have my person that I use for traffic. I'll give that to them and they'll blast it out to their email list, and then you'll get instant eyes to your offer, basically Easy1up.com. Okay. So make sure you go ahead and take advantage of this bonus, guys, because not a lot of people out there want to see you succeed like this. I want to see you succeed as I succeed. Okay. So check out the link in the description. Check out Easy1up.com. Go ahead and get signed up today and start leveraging a lot of these trainings and courses that are in this program that teaches you how to start creating the life that you want. All right, guys. So thanks for watching this video. If you like videos like this, make money online, product reviews, how to create the life of financial freedom and the life that you want, then subscribe to this channel, like this video, and comment below. All right. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Peace.